Hi, in this video I will explain first program in Java, Java program structure and how to compile and run first Java program. So before going to understand program structure in Java, let's have a look on the program structure in C. So if you remember program structure in C, it looks like this one. First we include header file stdio.h, then we write void main, and in this function we have written one statement to print hello world on the screen. In every C program, this is compulsory because actually the main function, this is the actual beginning of the program. This is the code which is actually executed. If we will not write main function, our program can be compiled but it will not run, because for execution main function need to be included in our program. So if we explain this program structure, we can say the first line we are including header file stdio.h. Why we are including this header file? Because we have used a function printf, and this function we have not defined this function. So we are using this function from a C library, and this stdio.h, this is providing the function definition. So that's why we have included stdio.h. So we can say first statement we are including required library. Second, we need to write a main function. So this is the signature of main. Void, it means this function is not returning anything, and this function is not having any argument as well. And third, we are printing on screen hello world. Now in C there is one more signature for main function. That signature takes two type of argument. One is integer and one is character pointer array. These argument actually known as command line argument. When we execute our C program, at the execution time, if we need to supply some information, those information can be accessed in program using these arguments. So normally we use the first one, but second one can also be used. Now if we see the program structure in Java, so Java is a pure object-oriented programming language. It means everything in Java need to be written inside the class. So if we need to write a main function, that function also need to be written in a class. So first we need to write a class demo, and inside this class we will write our main method. Why? Because this is a pure object-oriented programming language. Now here I am just giving you a structure that in this class our main function needs to be included, and then we need to print actually this is the first program and we are printing on screen hello world. So we need to write a print statement. So this is the first Java program. So first line, if you can see, this is import java.lang.star semicolon. Now in this slide, if you can see, we have used a function like system.out.println. So the thing is that this function, this method is actually coming from this one, this library. So similar to C, first statement we are including required library. So in order to use println method, we have to include this library. And in Java, if you want to include any library, keyword import is used. Import space and the name of the library which you are going to use in your program. So in our case, this method which we are using for printing is available in this library. That's why we are including this one, import space java.lang.star. Now in order to write main method, we need to first create a class. So, class demo curly braces. In this class we will write our main method. So in C we are having only void main, but in Java the signature actually having public static void main. We will see later why we need to write public and static. And here main method takes one string array as a command line argument. So in Java there is only one signature, and this is that signature, public static void main and then string arg array. And in Java if you want to print anything, system dot out dot println braces, and string appear in double quotes. If you want to print a variable value, that variable name will be appear without double quotes. So first we have included libraries. So import space java dot lang dot star. Then we have created a class main method in Java, a string type of argument, and for printing a message on screen we need to use system.out.println. Now initially you need to remember this thing: when you are giving the name to your class, say in our case we have given the name demo. So while saving this file, we will name this file as demo.java. So Java execution actually involve two steps. First one, compile Java program, and the second one, execute Java program. So I will show you the execution and compilation both. So first we need to write a program. So we will open our notepad. So I'm having notepad plus plus. You can write this program in simple notepad as well. So uh, import java.lang.star. Then we need to write a class and say the name of my class is class 1, and then I need to write a public static, and this is a string array, and here I am printing message. Now you need to keep in mind that Java is a case sensitive language, and when you write this program, in this program everything is in small case, but except these two characters. String s is in caps, and system, this first character s is in caps. So only two characters are in caps. Now we will save this file, and say for example we are saving this file on the desktop. We are giving the name of our file 1.java. So we have saved this file. Now in order to compile this file, you have to open your command prompt. Now when you open your command prompt, your current directory is something else than this desktop. Our file stored on desktop, so we will go to desktop. Now first step is compile your Java program. So we will write javac 1.java. In my system, Java is already installed and configured. So if you are running this program first time and Java is not installed, so first you need to install and configure. You can refer our other video for installation. So on this system, Java is installed. So first we write javac 1.java. So it will take few seconds. Now if there is no message, it means the compilation was successful. And if you will see, we have written this program and a new file is generated, one.class. This file is the key component of platform independence feature of Java. This file is also known as bytecode. So Java program is not directly converted into machine code. This is converted into a bytecode, and the next step we will run Java program. So the name of the Java is interpreter, and this one is printed on the screen.